In this video, I am going to perform popular thunderstorm reaction. So, we need sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate and ethanol. You must care about this warning because sulfuric acid is very corrosive, potassium permanganate is a strong oxidizer and ethanol is highly flammable. In this case, I am using 98% ethanol. Basically what we are going to do is make manganese 7 oxide. We also call this manganese heptoxide. Before go to the experiment, let me show you how powerful is this manganese heptoxide. Therefore, here I have very little amount of potassium permanganate. Then I am going to add 2 drops of concentrate sulfuric acid. After that, I am going to mix this chemical very carefully. Okay, now you know how powerful is that manganese heptoxide. So I will do a separate video about manganese heptoxide later. So now we are going to perform this thunderstorm experiment. So here I have a boiling tube. Now I am going to add about 2 milliliters of concentrate sulfuric acid into this boiling tube. Now you can see here, this is the sulfuric acid layer. Now I am going to add 98% ethanol on that sulfuric layer. So be careful, slowly add ethanol and don't mix these solutions together. Okay, now you can see here, this is the sulfuric acid layer and this is the ethanol layer. To see the reaction, I am going to add few crystals of potassium permanganate.